Hello guys, my name is Cherry Marcelo and I'm here to present a C++ programming on a hotel booking system, and I'm here to also inform you of our individual contributions in the work. First up is me, who is the project lead, who is responsible for the supervision and the smooth run of the group. We also have our algorithm writer. From our algorithm writer, we have our pseudocode writer. From the pseudocode writer, we also have our flowchart designer. And our flowchart from our flowchart designer, we both have both two C++ programmers responsible for running the code. We also have our test lead for testing the work to ensure the output is what we need. We also have our GitHub manager who invited everyone to collab and drop their assignments on the hub. We also have our documentation lead who was in charge of the README drafting, and we also have our presentation lead who is to inform us about our aims and objectives for the week. Thank you very much.
Good morning, lecturers. I'm Eduji Kwebutonyo Foster, and I'll be presenting our hotel room booking system developed in C++. This project was designed to help hotel receptionists manage room bookings by recording guest information, calculating booking costs, checking payment status, and saving booking records into text files. Many small hotels still record bookings manually, which can lead to mistakes, loss of records, incorrect calculations, and many more. Our system automates this process, making booking management faster, more accurate, and easier to maintain. The problem is that manual booking systems are slow and prone to errors. Hotels need a system that can record guest information, calculate room charges automatically, track payment status, and save booking records for future use. The aim of this project is to develop a C++ hotel room booking system that records guest bookings, calculates the total booking cost, checks the booking status, and saves all booking information into text files. The objectives of our project is to collect guest information, process multiple bookings, calculate the total booking cost based on room type and number of nights, validate user inputs, determine whether a booking is confirmed or pending, display a booking summary, and save all records into a text file.
Good day, sir. I'm Idobaja Adomoche, the GitHub manager for Group 20. So I was responsible for setting up and managing the repository for the hotel room booking system. As you can see, the repository name was according to the course code, the project, and also the group number. Now, moving forward, all the files were provided, such as the README MD, we have the algorithm, we have the flowchart, we have the hotel booking report, the main CPP, we have the first CUDA and the second CUDA. Now all these files you see here were committed with clear messages so that you can see who contributed what and when. So as you can see, very clear. Now moving forward, I added the group members as collaborators so that they will partake in it, and this ensured proper teamwork and control. I'll now leave it to the next person to continue demonstration since this covers the GitHub setup and collaboration. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Simone Tajima. And I'll be taking you through the algorithm. First of all, an algorithm is a step-by-step recipe for a program. We start an algorithm by typing in start. With the start, we come to display, which will display the hotel booking system. We ask, then comes to the ask section, where the user has to enter the number of bookings required, and then repeat the steps if necessary. After doing all that, we input the details of the guest, which is the name, phone number, room type, room number of night, and payment status. We validate the numbers of nights. It should be greater than 0. If the input is invalid, it displays an error message and record the booking as rejected. If the input is valid, it determines the room rate per night. After that, it calculates the total cost, determine the booking status, whether it is paid not. And then it displays the booking summary on the screen. After it saves the booking summary to the report file, then it updates the running count of confirmed, pending or rejected bookings. After all the bookings are processed, it displays the total number of confirmed and pending bookings. Save the summary to the report file, closes the file, and then ends the program.
Good morning, my name is Kwasi Elize Josie. I'm the one in charge of the flowchart. Because of the time, I wrote my explanation down. This flowchart illustrates how a hotel booking system works. The process starts by entering the number of booking. The customer's details are collected, including their name, phone number, room type, room number, number of nights, and payment status. The system checks whether the input is valid. If the information is invalid, the booking is rejected. If it is valid, the room rate is determined. The total cost is calculated based on the number of nights, and the payment status is verified. If the payment has been made, the booking is confirmed. Otherwise, the booking remains pending payment. Finally, a booking report is displayed and saved, and the system either processes another booking or displays a summary before ending. Thank you.
My name is Douglas Tatete and I'm responsible for the pseudoscope hotel room booking. This program actually begins by displaying the title of the system and asking the user to enter the number of bookings to process. It then utilizes three counters to keep track of confirmed bookings, pending bookings, and rejected bookings. After that, it opens a report file where all booking details will be stored. This system is to manage hotel bookings. It checks whether the information entered by the customer is correct, calculates the total cost of the booking, determines the booking status, and finally generates a report. This pseudoscope provides an organized way of managing hotel bookings by validating customer information, calculating costs, tracking booking status, and producing a complete report.
Good day, sir. My name is David Japan Agile and the representative for Group 2.0. As the main coder. I'm here to explain the header files. It's a non-technical project. This program records guest booking, calculates total cost, determines booking status, and saves full booking cost. So now I'll quickly explain some codes and how it supports the program, and my partner will continue from there. I would like to talk about the limit. The limit talks about the input validations, that's the errors. Then we go to the vectors. The vector automatically increases and decreases in size as we add and remove items. And for the namespace, it tells the compiler to use the standard C++. It allows us to write C out, C in, and string directly, instead of writing the std out, std in, and std string.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, I go by the name Xavier. So I, together with my partner, we are the ones handling the code for the hotel booking management. So I will explain everything he explained and how it has affected everything in here. So private is something that will be displayed to me as the receptionist. So guest name, phone number are the things that will be open to me. When we come down, we'll see public. Public is something that will be shown to the people that will come, or anybody that will come for me, him or her to be booked. It will be shown to that person. And bool is a command that accept two input, that is 0 or 1. So 0 means false and 1 means true. So as you can see, a number of 9 less than or equal to 0 will be invalid number of 9. And the if else command is the one supporting all those. And as you can see, a void is something that you want it to be displayed. So anything you want to be displayed, you put it in there for it to come. So character in, character out are the things supporting all those things. And when we come down, return ends the command. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Latte Israel and I'm the representative test lead for this particular project. We can see that whilst running our code, we have been able to get the guest name, the phone number of the guest, the room type, the room number, and then the number of nights that the guest is going to spend here. And then clearly we can see the payment status of the guest. And then this is our booking summary that is below the details that we got here. And and then for our second booking, we can clearly see our booking summary of Kojoado. That is our second booking, and that is his phone number that we were able to acquire, which he inputted in the second booking. This is our booking summary for the second hotel booking. Yes, thank you very much, everyone.
My name is Emmanuel Teria Boyson, the documentation lead for the hotel room booking system. And with the hotel booking system, the documentation is what is more or less like the README, which contains everything to do about the hotel booking system. And the README gives us the names of the group members, the problem statement, the aim of the project, the objective, and how the booking system works, etc. So the documentation is just all about all the documents that was provided for the booking system. Thank you.